The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Glenn in Massachusetts. Hey, Glenn, what's going on?
You know what is good for us is Tom O'Brien providing an unbiased source of information for us investors. You don't have an agenda. It's just to cut through everything and to give us the facts. I want to thank you.
Well, I appreciate it, man.
And now, here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 2 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. To master love, you have to practice love. The art of relationship is a whole mastery. And the only way to reach mastery is with practice. To master a relationship is therefore about action. It is not about attaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 32, Nasdaq up 8, S&P's up 2.5, gold contract up $9.20, trading at $1,461 an ounce. Silver up 42 cents at $39.61. Platinum up $1 at $1,796 an ounce. Light sweet crude flat at 108.65. Copper up 10 pennies, trading out at $4.37 a pound. Light sweet crude flat at 108.64. Bonds down 1 point, trading out at 118.27. Dollar index down 34 ticks, trading out at 75.76. Euro up 10 ticks at 143.30. Yen up 55 ticks, trading out at 85.42. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do we have out here? S&P cash goes once again to 1339.38. Been up there 4 days in a row. Can't hold it each and every day. The high of the market, the 18th of February, folks, was 1344. The day that we came off with monster volume on the way down on the 22nd, when we came down with 1.3 billion shares, that high there was the 1338.91. You can't basically get into that number. That's how this is, 4 days in a row. Can't take it. That says we're going to 1250. 1250, folks, is the highs of the lows of March 16th. We'll see how we come into that baby. That's your S&P. We go over to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials up $32. Dow Industrials closed at 12,426. That's saying, hey, Dow Industrials can go higher. They don't have any juice up here, but the bottom line is that that's saying they can go higher. Nasdaq Composite. We go to the composite. You take a look at the composite. Composite also weaker. Can't get out of its way right now. Composite right now, we got to a price point today of 28.15. That 28.15 got it over and into the gap from the 22nd. The 22nd, we had come downtown with 2.4 billion. We did 1.9 today. That's also having a tough time right at those higher levels. Gold contract. We go over to gold. You take a look at gold. Price spread in gold out here today goes like this. The low was 14.52. High 14.63. We closed at the high. We're at 14.62. You did 117,000 contracts. That's saying, hey, bottom line, you can go higher. You certainly didn't have follow through, but when you close at a high, you can absolutely go higher. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's get over and look at the dollar, because it's all about the dollar, and particularly at 8:30 tomorrow morning, it's going to be about the dollar, and this is what it is, folks. Right now, the dollar index is trading at 75.77. We came back, and we came down today with 21,000 contracts. That 21,000 is going into 32,000. That's saying that the dollar index wants to go higher. Why? Because when we were trading up on the April 1st, we had 32,000 up there. Now, on the continuous contract, what we have is this. The continuous contract, folks, when we string this thing together, which is important to put together, we right now are at 75.77. that's 75.77. The last low out here on the November 5th time frame was 75.23. The low prior to that of November of 2009 was 74.21. So we still haven't broken either one of those lows. When we came down a week ago, it was 75.50. So we'll see where that shakes and bakes. And that little baby, folks, is going to be shaken and baking tomorrow morning. And the reason being is that, let's go over to the euro for a second. We take a look at the euro, and what you have is that the euro currency right now goes topside today, gets over the 142.82 mark, which was November 4th, and has some conviction behind the move. There's a wide price spread there. There's no two ways about it. So I suspect, number one, that it's not going to hold, and this is why. Trichet has been out there yapping that he's going to go up on interest rates. And listen, he goes up in interest rates, the euro is going to go up, and the dollar absolutely is going to get cracked. That being said and done, what you had intraday today out here, folks, is that Portugal turns around and went to the European Union this afternoon for a bailout. The official announcement came across at 2 minutes before the close, but everyone knew it about 4 hours before the close. Now, it certainly didn't affect the market. Bottom line, though, is that, you have more. This is the third country in the European Union that has to get bailed out. Does that matter? Yeah, it matters. The reason it matters, folks, because the reason they have to get bailed out has to do with what? Has to do with that they can't refinance their debt. Trichet saying he's going up. Bottom line is that the interest rate structure can't go up because they already can't afford cheap interest rates, okay? So tomorrow morning is going to be a big number out here, no doubt about it. And listen, folks, my new book, The Art of Timing the Trade, Your Ultimate Trading Mastery System, is for sale on Amazon.com right now. It's $27.88. You can go over, you can pre-order it right now. It will be sent out on the 23rd. So there's pre-orders over there right now. And, we launched it last night at 5:30, and I do appreciate everyone already going over there. It's pretty amazing. We launched it, and at 9 o'clock last night, the book was number 24 in investing. Right now it's number 17 in investing. It's number 8 in hot new titles. So I do appreciate it out there. If you are coming or you'd like to come to one of our workshops, I'm going to be coming across the country. I'm going to be doing a 2-hour workshop. If you come over to TFNN.com right now, at first, the last 2 weeks, what we have had up there is that we had the cities. Now we actually have the actual places that we're going to be, the dates we're going to be, and you can actually sign up for it. And the way that it works is this. The workshop is $88. We are giving a rebate on the book. So, because we want you to basically go to Barnes & Nobles or Amazon or somewhere to buy the book. Bottom line is that if you buy the book, wherever you buy it, you see when you're signing up, you're going to get a rebate code. You just send us what you paid for the book. We'll send you a check back in cash. Or, if you have a choice, and this is pretty cool, if you want Tiger credits, you're actually going to get paid twice the amount of the book. So all the cities are up there right now. I'm going to be in Tampa April 27th, Orlando April 28th, Waltham, Boston May 4th, Nashua May 5th, Denver, Colorado May 17th, Boulder May 18th, San Francisco May 19th. So it's all up there. Let's go to Lois. Lois in Boston. Hey, Lois, what's going on?
Not much. How you doing?
I'm doing great, man. You having a good day up there?
Not too bad.
Cool, man. Well, listen, you got good weather coming at you.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah.
We need it.
Yeah. What are we going to look at?
Question. ISG.
You get ISRG. This is Intuitive Surgical. The low is 246. The high is 393. The PE is 38. This is the Da Vinci robotic system. Okay, so what are we doing here?
I want an entering point in it.
Okay, so let's take a look. So the stock just went from 240 to 360. Let's bring this baby back. Have you ever traded the stock?
Yes, I have.
Oh. This is a wild one, folks, man.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, my God. Okay, so now this is what's really wild, okay? So we're at 363. Now you do have volume at the high, which is at 393. So it's like, okay, man, you're going to go back there. You got to wait for a pullback now because the thing just went up $100. And the way this trades, it You know, it likes to correct $50, $60 in a heartbeat, man. So, you know, your first level would be 334.
334?
Yeah, where I'm going, Lewis, is this.
Mm-hmm.
The week of January 21st, you see how it went up $50 that week?
Yeah.
Okay. When you come back into the high of that could be the buy. And the way you'd know whether it's the buy or not, if it comes back in there and it gets too far into the 334, let's picture as it's going in. It goes into the 325, then don't touch it. Because what that would set up is that it'll go right back to the 282, and then that would be a buy, man.
Yeah, but the 334 has not that much volume in it.
No, 330. If you put it on a weekly basis, you're going to see it says 5.7 million.
5.7 million.
Yeah. See, that's the top of the breakout. So the way that works is that if it comes into the top of the breakout, and it has a lot.
What about the October 2010 on the weekly? It did 7,153,600. 8
million. Now I got that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Listen, that's my point. If
the low is 265, it closed at 265.
Yeah, but my point is this.
Yeah.
That'd be great. Listen, 265, that's beautiful, but it doesn't have to come back there. That's my point. And the way you'll know is that how it comes into 334 first. If it comes into 334 with volume, yeah, you're going to go right back to 282, man.
Where you get 334? I'm just curious.
Put it on a weekly.
Yeah, I got it on a weekly right now.
Okay, well, it's the week of January 21st.
Okay. Oh, the high on that.
You see how that works?
Yeah. 334, right.
So if it backs into that, and there's two different things happens when you come into an area like that. If it gets into it too far price-wise, right?
Yeah.
Meaning $5 or $6, it will go to the bottom of the range no matter what the volume is, okay? If it's coming in with too much volume, then it goes to the bottom of the range. If it comes in right to the very top of that, hits it, rejects it with lighter volume, then it's going to go right back topside and go after those highs.
Back to the highs again.
Yeah. There you go, man. Have a great one.
All
Have
right,
a safe
thanks
one.
a lot.
Let's go to Mark in New York. Hey, Mark, what's going on?
Hi, good afternoon, Tom. Would you give me your opinion of Verizon symbol VZ?
Verizon, I love it.
You think it might be a short candidate?
No, don't go short Verizon. You get Verizon, okay, the low's 24, the high's 38, the PE's 16. And, folks, Verizon, if you like dividends, you get 5% dividend on Verizon. Verizon's never going to be out of business. That's an insane dividend. Don't go short Verizon. It's in a big consolidation. Let's pull it back. You take a look at Verizon. What you have here, she's a long candidate. She's, you want to buy her on a retracement, man.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Tom.
Okay, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one. And Verizon, you get it at $37.85, folks. And, deep retracement, yeah, you can get into about $32.61, and I'd be all over it. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. We're going to be right back, folks.